Hello all, Anaconda is a very popular platform used by the machine learning and data science engineers to develop and deploy the Python solutions. So, previously, when we installed the scikit-learn package, we used pip, right? So we use a command prompt and then we use pip, if you have seen our previous video. And then the dependencies that were there, like the numpy and all, got installed. Now if you install Anaconda, all the relevant dependencies and tools will be installed in the background. They come together and you need not worry about that. Okay, and then once you install, we have also seen Jupyter notebook installation using pip, right? So you need not install if you are installing separately, if you are installing Anaconda here. So this is the home page of Anaconda, and you can see there are several tools, the data science related tools, the machine learning environments where you can write your codes. We have been talking extensively on Jupyter Notebook from last videos, right? And then the Python related tools, like example the PyCharm, and then the R Studio, right? So what we did previously, when we wanted to install Jupyter Notebook, we went to command prompt, right? And then we typed Jupyter notebook, correct? So when we typed this, it opened the Jupyter notebook and it was happening from the command prompt. And we had the command prompt, the Jupyter notebook opening up. Now, instead of using the pip, we can close this. Instead of using it, we can use Anaconda to launch the Jupyter notebook. So it's the same thing that we are doing, but through Anaconda. So when we do this, you can see it opens up the same page which opened up previously. So another advantage definitely that we see here is we have all the required tools together, right? So Anaconda brings all these together, which helps definitely when you are trying to build a package and trying to deliver it. Very, very important. So if you are planning to work on the machine learning algorithms and wanted to start, and you have seen our 3-4 last videos, you can switch directly to Anaconda and start working.